Is that a Volkswagen Jetta?
Yeah.
And you made a pickup out of it?
Yeah.
Ladies and gents, we're back. Going for a rip today. It's nice out. It's probably about 60, 65. Rocking the old red hoodie. Gonna go get some coffee and go for a cruise. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. I'd appreciate it. Helps me out a ton. Uh-oh. Oh my God, it's an English Bulldog. Oh, look at him. He's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God, I want him. Look at his butt. Wow. What the hell? What the hell? What is this, luxury car day? Oh, it makes me smile every time. There's just no other way to put it. Got anything open around here? Hey, buddy! Are you going in?
No, no, you guys. I'm not waiting.
Can I go?
Yeah, you can.
I can cut in line?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll cut in line. Thanks. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this. Dude, look at the front wheel. It's like a... I don't even know. It's like a 3-foot rim. What size is that front rim?
30.
A 30? It's huge.
Yeah, it's badass.
That thing is wild.
Yeah, it is wild. I got another one like this a couple years older, but it's got, I actually got 3 bikes. Got a shit ton more power than this one.
Really?
Yeah. Just horsepower freak.
It's got to be at least like 10 grand, right?
Yeah.
Dude, you're like living in like Grand Theft Auto, man, real life. Yeah. That thing is crazy. What do you think? What's the value of this thing? Really? Probably like what? 40, 50,000?
Now, this one probably 21, 22.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I thought it'd be more than that.
It's not that special.
Just it looks crazy.
Yeah, well, I just pulled it out of the shop. It's all dirty and shit right now. I have to clean it up.
It's pretty cool, man.
Right.
Enjoy the day. Ride safe.
Yeah. You just fire up for me.
I'll push start you if you need it. Whoa! Whoa!
Right.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Dude, this man's living in 2057. Look at that thing. Oh my God. What the? What was that? What the? It was a Jetta. It was a Volkswagen Jetta truck. I'm trying to get over, lady. Thank you. That was a Volkswagen Jetta truck. And it was clean. Like, that thing was not made. I don't think it was built in a garage. Where'd that thing go? Get over here. I want to talk to you. Where are you, Jetta? Where did you go? Oh, there he is! There he is! He's hauling lumber! We found him, boys! I thought I lost him! Go! Oh. Is that a Volkswagen Jetta?
Yeah.
And you made a pickup out of it?
Yeah.
Did you do that at home?
Yeah.
It looks like it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah. Well, you buy the kit out of Massachusetts.
Really?
It's called Smith Vw. You can look it up on your phone. It's MYTH. Smith Vw.
It looks factory. Is it a diesel?
Sure.
So you get 50 miles to the gallon?
Well, yeah, but you don't drive 55. You drive 80.
You can just haul lumber, everything. I've never seen anything like this in my whole life.
It's got a aluminum box.
That is so wild to me that they still make these?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my God.
Well, they make them for Audi, Dodge Charger. They make them for the Vw Bug, and then this Jetta.
So is it the whole bed?
Yeah, they give you the fenders in the back. They give you this piece here,
How much is it? Like a couple grand?
$3,500. But then I paid $5,000 for the paint job, body work.
I've never seen anything like this. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. I saw you pull into the thing and I was trying to find you because I knew it was a Jetta.
Yep.
But thanks for talking to me. That is awesome.
Yep.
See you later. Look at that thing. It's a TDI Jetta truck. Oh man. That is like one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I wouldn't be getting a mini truck like a Tacoma or something. I'd be getting one of those. I think it probably gets at least 40 miles a gallon being a diesel. Look at the guy, he's hauling. He's hauling. Like he went and doing some shopping, picking up some lumber in his Jetta. He went all out on that. $5 grand for the paint job. Like he's like, oh, I'm going big. They don't want to race. Hey, you want to run them? Come on.
Man.
It's alright.
Enjoying, right?
Yeah. Feel a start.
And start. You just jumped the clutch, that's why.
Yeah. Later. Yeah, hello, sir. Hello. I'm right here. Leave without you? If he lives without you, you can saddle up.